So we're getting a number of questions about how this might be a class. Um, One person asked, do you have any groups online?
Do. I have a group starting on March 30th at 5 o'clock on March 30th. It's a Monday night Pacific time. You can go to the 5 steps, the5steps.org, and sign up for that class. And it is going to be a 10-week class. And they're teaching it right now in Miami. I'm going to be teaching it. I will be the instructor of the class, and it will go for 10 weeks through, I think, middle of June. Don't quote me on that, but it's on the website right now. And if your local Unity Church wants to teach it, they can also contact me at the5steps.org, and I'm licensing that 10-week version to go out to any community that wants to teach it.
And
And
then
it
you
has
all,
videos of me doing this,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
And you all can say, I studied prosperity with Ken Daigle. So
Thank you.